Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Discord using QR code. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to any browser and search for Discord. Here it is. Now, we need to click on login over here. Now we can see this QR code over here. So we need to go to our phone now and go to Discord app. Now we need to go to this profile like icon in the bottom right corner and scroll down. We can see scan QR code and allow taking pictures and scan the QR now. When you are done, so you can see you are logged in to your profile now. So this is it. This is how you can log into your Discord account using QR code. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.